In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch to Expensify Classic. If you've been using the new Expensify interface, but find yourself longing for the features and familiarity of Expensify Classic, this guide will walk you through the process of making that switch seamless and hassle-free. First, you'll want to begin by navigating to your Expensify workspace. If you're unfamiliar with how to locate this, just head over to the main page of your Expensify dashboard. It's here that you manage all your expenses, reports, and related workspace functionalities. Once you're there, your next step is to find the Account option. This is typically located in your navigation menu and is crucial because we need to access certain settings housed within your account preferences. Now, once you've clicked on Account, you'll see a submenu labeled General. It's under this section where you'll find the option we've been looking for. Switch to Expensify Classic. Click on this, and you'll be prompted to proceed with the switch. But wait, it's not quite as simple as that. There's a brief survey that pops up on the right side of your screen. This survey is there to collect feedback on why you're making the switch. It's possible that Expensify utilizes this information to improve their services, so take a moment to honestly select the options that apply to your situation. After you've completed the survey, look for the Next button. A quick click here will lead you to a new page. You'll see another prompt here, asking for any additional responses or comments you may have. If you feel comfortable sharing more details about your switch, this is your opportunity. It could be a helpful way for the Expensify team to gain further insight into user preferences. Fill in your sample response or whatever you feel reflects your experience accurately. Finally, you're nearing the end of the process. Look for the Switch to Expensify Classic button. Click on this, and you're all set. You should now be ready to go back to using Expensify in the classic mode you likely found easier or more suited to your needs. Now you're back to the streamlined, familiar user interface of Expensify Classic, allowing you to dive back into managing your expenses with ease. Whether it's the intuitive layout, specific features, or sheer comfort of the old platform, you've successfully made the switch. Thank you for watching. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on navigating digital tools efficiently.